Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap on OKX wallet. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in on the OKX website. After that, you have to navigate to trade option. Just simply go in the trade. From there, you have to navigate to convert option. As you can see here, there is an option called convert. Just simply click on there. Now you have to select tokens in the from field. Select the token you want to swap. For example, I want to select to USDT. I have already selected to field to choose the token you want to receive in the Bitcoin. Now you have to input amount of the token you wish to swap. The corresponding amount for receiving token will be calculated to automatically. For example, just simply add this much. As you can see here, calculating it is automatically calculating. Now confirm the swap. Click on the convert to complete the transaction. The swapped token will be appear in your wallet immediately after the confirmation. So this is how you can swap on OKX wallet. If this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel.